I welcome all of you to this 332nd wine dinner of Delhi Wine.
Next one will be amazing.
Special guest, we have with us today Her Excellency Ms. Anna Taban, Ambassador of Moldova to India. Welcome. And with that, let me talk something about the wines today. We have got a flight of 4 wines, 1 sparkling wine and 3 still wines. So I'll start with the first wine which we have already savored while we were outside. So it has got a longish name which reads as Villa Sandy Il Fresco Treviso Brut. So it is longish name, confusing name, don't worry, I am here. First 2 words of the wine means, Villa Sandy means the name of the winery. You know, it is a 100 years old winery. Many people I saw, they were relishing the Prosecco and they said it's very nice. And the Villa Sandy name is based up on a mansion, you know, with the winery. History of that goes back to 1620. So it is well entrenched in the roots. So nice Prosecco. Next 2 words, you know, Il Fresco in Italian means the fresh one. Partly will get me out. The fresh one. That indicates the fresh style in which the Prosecco is made. The next word is Treviso. Treviso is the DOC region in northeast of Italy, from where this wine is coming. And last word is brut. Anybody can say what is brut?
Dry.
Everybody knows. So I'll still find it. Brut is nothing but it indicates the sugar level in the wine. Who's laughing? Sir,
low level.
you'll question answer. What is brut?
Dry.
Anyway, so brut indicates the sugar level in the wine. And in this wine it was just 5 grams per liter, which is very less. And for all practical purposes, it can be considered as a dry wine. Where dry means, in wine terms, it means absence of sugar. So that was the first wine. And I'll also take some time to cover the second wine, which is now being poured in the glasses. Second wine has got a very interesting name. It is called 1959 Single Varietal Gewürztraminer. So again, difficult name. 1959 was the product line. The line of wines in the wider portfolio of the company. Single varieties, like it is made for a single grape. These lines of wine, they are all made with single grape. And Gewürztraminer stands for the name of the grape, as also the name of the wine, which has been made from this grape. So now I quickly tell you some very interesting things or stories about Gewürztraminer. Firstly, it is a name which is very difficult to pronounce. It is almost like a tongue twister, Gewürztraminer. So much so that, an article by famous Forbes magazine, about this wine was titled as, don't say it, just drink it. so which means that let's not, so that means that, let's not get into the linguistic complications of pronouncing this. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the aromatics of this wine. This is aromatic wine. So there was another master of wine who also called this wine, as a red wine disguising as white wine.
Oh, really?
Which is also self-explanatory, which means that although it is a white wine, but it has got that depth and the complexity, all the characteristics of a red wine. So rightly he's called it as a, red wine, disguising as a white wine. So next comes the Gewürztraminer, the word itself. It is made up of 2 parts.